Finding the best wood stove can feel tough when you want strong heat without extra work. The best wood stove is one that burns clean, heats your space well, and fits the way most US homes and cabins are set up. I've lived with a few through long winters, so I know which ones stay warm all night and which need too much tending, and that hands-on time gives me real insight. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Avo Forest Hot Tent Stove. This stove made my last winter camp feel warm and calm. I remember sitting inside my tent as snow fell outside, while this stove kept the air cozy. The clear fire view lets me watch the flames and keep the heat just right. I also love the detached pipe set because it packs small and sets up fast. That makes travel easy and stress-free. All the tools fit inside the stove, so nothing gets lost in my gear bag. It heats my tent fast and boils water with no trouble. The iron body feels tough and well built, though it adds some weight. Still, it is easy to move and great for cold trips. It is not meant for a garage or home use, but for outdoor trips, it feels reliable and comforting. Number 4. Guide Gear Outdoor Wood Burning Stove. This stove is one I use when I want fast outdoor heat. I have used it on camping trips and in my yard on cool nights. The strong steel box feels solid and holds heat well even when the wind picks up. The flat cooktop lets me heat soup or cook eggs with ease. I like how the stove packs into itself, which makes it simple to carry. Setup is quick, which helps after a long drive. It is not made for indoor use or a garage, but outdoors it works well. For trips and simple meals, it keeps me warm and fed. Number 3. Yataho Upgraded Wood Stove. This stove feels made for campers who want things simple. I like how all the parts store inside, so my pack stays neat. The compact fold legs let me set up on uneven ground. The 3-in-1 cooktop lets me boil, grill, and fry without needing extra gear. I enjoy watching the fire through the glass while I adjust the heat. It warms my tent fast and feels safe to use. It is not meant for a big room, but for camping trips, it works really well. Number 2. XDCFLA Wood Burning Stove. This little stove works great on cold camp nights. The heat-safe glass lets me see the flames without fear of cracks. The double wall burn helps the wood last longer and burn cleaner. I use it in my tent, and it keeps me warm fast. The pull-out ash box makes cleanup quick, which I really like. It is light to carry and easy to set up. It is not built for a home or garage, but for outdoor trips, it does a solid job. Number 1. Ashley Hearth Pedestal Wood Burning Stove. This is the stove I trust to heat my home. I set it up in my living space and it filled the room with deep, steady warmth all day. It truly works as the best wood stove for 1,200 square feet, which makes winter much easier. The big firebox means I do not have to add wood often, even on long cold nights. I also enjoy the clean glass because I can watch the fire without smoke marks. When you add a fan, it becomes the best wood stove with blower for smooth heat flow. It is heavy, so setup takes effort, but once it's in place, it runs strong and steady for years. Final verdict. After testing and comparing these stoves, the Ashley Hearth Pedestal Wood Burning Stove stands out as my top pick. It delivers strong, steady heat, has a large firebox, and feels built for real homes that need reliable winter warmth. If you want one stove that can heat a full space and look great doing it, this is the best overall choice. For campers, tent users, or anyone who needs a more portable and budget-friendly option, the XDCFLA wood-burning stove is a smart pick. It gives safe heat, long burn time, and easy cleanup without a big price tag. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the wood-burning stove that fits your style and need best.